Oregon Senate Republican walkout in Salem not over yet, despite negotiations underway for the past several days between Republican and Democratic leaders.
And of course, Lisa Balick going beyond the headlines to show how some lawmakers are trying to get legislation through to stop this.
With no end in sight for the stalemate, lawmakers are coming up with some creative ways to get legislation through. With less than 2 weeks before the session ends, the House today in full swing, rushing to pass bills. Over in the Senate, silence for 6 weeks at a standstill after most Republicans walked out. Oregon, one of just 4 states requiring 2/3 of lawmakers show up to pass bills. Now, dozens of Democrats are signing on to a resolution that Oregon change its constitution to ask the public to vote on requiring just a simple majority of lawmakers show up.
This is not a partisan issue. I mean, we had Democrats walk out, we've had Republicans walk out 5 times in the last 5 years, and it's been over all kinds of issues, taxation in schools, it's been over climate, it's been over redistricting, now it's about abortions and guns. We need to find a way to put these walkouts behind us like most other states have. 45 states require a simple majority.
Meanwhile, some lawmakers are getting creative in trying to make sure some of their ideas do get implemented, even if the walkout continues. There's a bill to require panic alarms on staff members' phones in public schools. They would send a silent alarm to first responders and other staff members to help avoid confusion over whether students should flee or shelter in place. The bill, known as Alyssa's Law, is named for a shooting victim in Parkland, Florida's high school massacre.
So what we are trying to do is to eliminate that chaos, have a uniform, clean message, but also the most important part is it puts a geotag around the school. So in Texas, in the most recent tragic event that happened there, they would have had 10 minutes. And so I believe in my core that this will save lives.
To make sure the legislation would get approved, funding for it is now included in the statewide schools budget for next year. If the governor does call a special session to get budget bills through, it would be happening likely this summer. In Salem, Lisa Balick, KOIN 6 News.